Chrome-plated zinc alloy straight body with black or white polymer splash guard. Removable 30 mesh stainless steel wire screen flame arrestor, for use with fuel applications. Hose size, 5/8. Built with quality materials. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent Perko product. This vent was used as an exact replacement for the original vent, which lasted more than 15 years before becoming blocked with saltwater oxidation. The old vent could have been cleaned and reused, but decided on replacement instead. The vent has met or surpassed all expectations. The only negative is lack of a screen over the vent, but that is not important if the vent is installed correctly. I recommend this product to those who seek a stylish and functioning vent. In a word, if you need a vent, try this Perko product. Prediction? You will be happy with it.